Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll take a closer look at the new 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid, a luxury SUV that combines bold design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly performance in one sleek package. Let's dive right in. From the front, the NX Hybrid is eye-catching. The signature Lexus spindle grille has been enhanced with a modern mesh pattern that looks aggressive yet elegant. Sharp, jewel-like triple-beam LED headlights create a futuristic look, while the sculpted bumper adds a sporty touch. This face makes you look twice, bold yet classy. Moving to the side, you'll notice a smooth aerodynamic silhouette. The body lines are clean, flowing from the hood to the rear, giving it a coupe-inspired look without sacrificing SUV practicality. Large alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, while chrome accents and subtle curves provide a premium feel. This design balances sportiness with sophistication. At the rear, Lexus adopts a modern minimalist approach. A wide LED light bar stretches along the rear, blending seamlessly with the taillights, and bold Lexus lettering replaces the old logo, adding a touch of modern luxury. A sporty diffuser and dual exhaust tailpipes provide a performance-inspired finish. Frankly, this rear end is one of the most stylish in the luxury crossover world. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid continues Lexus's commitment to efficiency and performance. It combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing approximately 240 horsepower. Power is sent through a smooth CVT transmission to the front wheels or available all-wheel drive. The result, a perfect balance of fuel efficiency, estimated average fuel economy above 38 mpg combined, and the refined, quiet driving experience that Lexus is known for. It's not a sports car, but it's certainly a smart, efficient, and comfortable car for everyday driving. Climb inside, and this is where Lexus truly shines. The cabin is swathed in luxury leather with detailed stitching, soft touch materials, and genuine wood trim. A 14-inch infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, running Lexus's latest user-friendly interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers get a fully digital instrument cluster, a premium Mark Levinson audio system, ambient lighting, and advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Comfort is key here. Supportive seats, ample space, and quiet cabin insulation make it feel like a true luxury lounge on wheels. The 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid starts around $45,000, with higher trims reaching the mid-50s. For what you get, luxury, reliability, efficiency, and a stunning design, this SUV is easily one of the most compelling choices in the premium hybrid segment. So, is the 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid worth it? Absolutely. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement piece. For those who want eco-friendly performance in a bold luxury package, this is a crossover that delivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you choose this over the BMW X3 or Audi Q5 Hybrid? See you in the next review.